Today's video, I will guide you through on how to zoom in the document or any page. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. In order to zoom in, you have to go to the right corner and go to this panel over here and go to all the way at the bottom. You can see a magnifying glass with a plus icon, not the minus one, that's a zoom out option. Since we're going to zoom in, simply tap into the magnifying glass with the plus icon, that's it, zoom in. And now you can just either keep on tapping, you shouldn't zoom in more, or you can go to this slider option over here and you can just adjust like how much you want to zoom in. If you want to zoom in more, you can just go all the way up. So this is the maximum zooming, and if this is a little bit more, you can simply adjust it and go all the way down depending on your preference. So this is basically how you zoom in Adobe Acrobat. This might be helpful whenever you just want to focus on some words and you are just confused and it's not clear for you. So yeah, without any difficulties. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our video. Thank you for watching.